Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the cinematic video editing on mobile by using Capcut. So if you want to create cinematic videos right on your phone, in this full tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can edit cinematic style videos in Capcut. And it's perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Short. So what you need to do first is just open your videos on CapCut. So launch CapCut applications on your phone. Then select the videos that you want to edit. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this video in here. You can tap on add. And now once the video imported into CapCut timeline, you can head into filter. And in here click on search button and search for Fuji filter, this one, and you can adjust the intensity to how you like it. I'm going to go with 65. Hit on a check icon and now you can go to adjust, and in here you can adjust the video. You can follow my adjustment in here. I'm going to lower the brightness to -2, contrast -10, and then the saturation increase it to 15, then the brilliance -15, and swipe, click on the highlight and lower it to -15, shadow -10, and temperature -15. Set the hue to -10, and last one, add some fade effect. So I'm going to go with 10. Hit on a check icon and that's it. So this will be the cinematic look of your video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and with these tips you can turn ordinary phone footage into professional looking cinematic reels, all using CapCut for free. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing hacks, and mobile filmmaking tips. Thank you.